So what does a high protein plant-based meal look like? Let's build one together. First, we're going to start with a bowl of about a half a cup of quinoa. And then I like to add a few leaves of spinach on top. And then I'm going to top that with about a half a cup of chickpeas. And I roasted up some kale and broccoli, and I'm going to put a little bit of that into our bowl. Now you can do this serving it hot or cold. It's totally up to you. And then I add a little bit of avocado. I just slice that up and scoop out a couple of slices on top to add some real rich fat to it. And then I'm going to sprinkle a tablespoon of sunflower seeds. Now these are just my ingredients, and I also add about a tablespoon of olive oil over that. And then you can add your seasonings. I like a little bit of nutritional yeast sprinkled on. You can also add your garlic powder, your onion powder, turmeric, any assortment of flavorful or curry flavorful spices. So not only is this meal packed with protein, it's full of fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Great for your overall health.